How to enable automatic speaker on iPhone 16. Today, I'll show you how to enable automatic speaker mode on your iPhone 16. If you're tired of manually switching to speaker mode every time you make or receive a call, this simple setting will save you time. First, open the Settings app and scroll down to Accessibility. Tap on it, then select Touch from the menu. Next, scroll down and tap Call Audio Routing. By default, this is set to automatic, which routes calls to your earpiece unless you manually change it. To enable automatic speaker mode, select speaker from the options. Now all your calls, both incoming and outgoing, will automatically route to the speaker. If you ever want to switch back to the default earpiece mode, simply repeat these steps and select automatic instead of speaker. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.